was asking me why I'm talking in English. She put a garbage bag. She covered it with a garbage bag on the window inside our room, so no light can pass through. Let's go. Let's go buy our breakfast at Tim Hortons because we just woke up, guys, and mommy just got home from work.
I didn't wake up because I didn't sleep.
I will be buying coffee and English muffin. They only get English muffin because if I buy mommy a coffee, she's not gonna sleep. Oh my goodness.
I'm about to sleep. Nakakantok tong salamin. Boom.
Thank you. You too. I will be cooking eggs, sunny side up, and we keep a little bit quiet in here because mommy is sleeping just behind the door, so we are talking a little bit slow, right? Alright. What's that? What's that?
How to write the letter C?
Letter C. C.
Z.
Yeah.
Z.
C. Letter C. Z.
So like this. So like this.
Yeah, you're right.
She's resting well because there's like this black thingy at the curtain.
Mommy is so brilliant because she put a garbage bag. She covered it with a garbage bag on the window inside our room, so no light can pass through. Alright, perfectly cooked egg. Our onions. And just keep on stirring it so that it's not going to burn. Turn off the heat. And an egg. We call this combination of food in Filipino the cornedsilog. Alright, let's eat. We're gonna eat like a king. Alright. Yo guys, what up? We're going to go to a trampoline park so that Oz is going to play there. Alright? Let's go. First, I'm going to wear these shades. Alright, do I look good, man? Do I look good? Oh my god, I'm like a dragonfly. Woo! Whew! This is what I'm gonna wear. Alright? Let's go. Alright. So wala na tuloy akong masabi. Ikaw kasi pinupuna mo yung English ko eh. Alright guys, we are just talking. I'm just talking with my wife. We are talking together to each other. She was asking me why I'm talking in English and not in Tagalog, our native language. Because my answer is I want to share my life to the whole world. And how am I going to do that if I'm just going to speak just one language, right? So I decided to speak English. See?
Look,
She's saying...
Stop, look, listen.
She's saying that it doesn't come naturally.
Stop, look,
See?
listen.
Even if I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm excited, it comes very natural. My English speaking.
It's like flowing in the falls.
No. No, it's like flowing like
Or
flowing.
it's like...
See?
Even not.
See?
It's a natural disaster.
I feel that my English
Oh, you're feeling
flows
You're
like
feeling
smooth English. It's like my English words are sliding in the ice. You know? That's very smooth. The sheep house. There's the trampoline park. There. This is the Oasis trampoline park. Alright. Na naman? Oh, let's go! Let's go! Oh, yan. We're done! Going on! Jump time is over. And now we're going to... It was 159 and now it's 64. So, we're gonna get one. Our friend made a favor to look for a milk, and this is the milk for her newborn. So that's why we are here in Walmart.
There you go.
I need this for the remote control. Okay, it's all good.
I got
Alright, we got three. Yeah. Filipino, black, and red. Alright, and tomato.
Wait, did this say Filipino?
What?
Did you say Filipino? Did you say Filipino?
Jalapeno.